Hello, greetings, and welcome to another episode of Being Healthy the Shaolin Way. In today's video, we will discuss breath. It is a perception of the mind that causes stress. This can easily be shown by the fact that the same situation or circumstance will elicit the stress response in one person and not in another. If we can control the mind, we can also control the levels of stress we experience. Control of the breath will assist in the control of the mind. Now, the breath and the mind are inseparable. The condition of one will influence the condition of the other. Shallow, short breathing that can occur spontaneously when we are anxious excites and agitates the mind, making one upset, dizzy, and or fatigued. This will initiate the body's stress responses. Slow, deep breathing will calm the mind. And on the spot anxiety reducing technique is to take a few slow, deep breaths. As you breathe in, fill the bottom of the lungs first, then the chest, and then raise the shoulders. This will leave you calmer and more in control. Control of the breath will exist in control of anxiety produced by stress, slowing of the aging process, raising levels of vitality, training the conscious transportation of qi, and reaching the advanced levels of spiritual awareness. The abdominal breathing technique. This is the first breathing technique that we use for practice of Qigong or pranayama. It is sometimes called the Buddhist breath or postnatal breathing. You will need to train yourself to breathe into your stomach. The shoulders stay down, the chest does not move. The lower abdomen expands with the inhale and contracts with the exhale. The abdominal breath more efficiently oxidizes the blood, allowing more air to come in. The average untrained breath brings in about 1 pint of air. An average trained abdominal breath can bring in 3 pints of air, actually slowing the breathing rate. The 4-part abdominal breath. The 4-part abdominal breathing technique is used in Sanzan and some meditation techniques. The 4 parts of the breath are the inhale, the hold of the breath with the abdomen 90% full, the exhale, and the hold of the breath with the abdomen 90% empty. Practice usually begins seated, spine straight, chin level, body relaxed if possible, eyes closed, and the gaze gently raised to the spot between the eyebrows. This exercise has a powerful calming effect, and for this reason, it is sometimes used to begin meditation practice. Now, it's important to focus on this spot right between the eyebrows for this exercise. Practice of the 4-part breath begins with the 3 counts for each breath part. Practice every day, increasing to 6 counts, then allow as comfort. The crane breath. The crane breath is the first qi accumulation technique presented in Damo's muscle intended changing methods. This is the abdominal breath that uses a visualization to assist in the transportation and accumulation of qi. The visualization is used in combination with the mental concentration and active will to make the transportation of energy to occur. The practice of this technique will enhance the immune system and increase vitality levels, mental acuity, and intuition. The beginner is encouraged to practice this with at least 18 breaths prior to meditating daily. 1. Seated in the meditation posture, knees and insteps on the floor and seated on the heels or cross-link it for any comfortable seating position. Place the hands on the lap. Hold the spine straight but not strained, jaw level, shoulders back, chest box forward. With the back straight, allow the body to relax. Gently place the tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. 2. With the eyes closed, raise the gaze to the spot between the eyebrows. Without any strain, gently hold the gaze toward the spot as the exercise is performed. 3. Briefly, using only the diaphragm, the shoulders stay down and the chest should not move at all. The stomach should expand with the inhale and contract with the exhale. Be careful not to breathe too much air in or too much air out, making this breath comfortable and slow. 4. This energization exercise begins by visualizing the inhaling of the energy in the air around the body, through the mouth and nose with the breath. Using mental focus and an active will, visualize the energy entering the mouth and nose with the breath and traveling down the front center line of the body to the navel center. The navel center is located in the abdomen 2 or 3 inches behind the navel. 5. Let me clarify this. This is called the lower dantian, this breath, right? And but anyway, getting back to the thing, we got to exhale and visualize the energy that was inhaled with the breath being accumulated and stored in the navel center. Now, that's all for today. Tune in next week for another episode of Being Healthy, the Shaolin Way. Until then, you can visit us at healthyshaolin.com, or if you wish to learn more about the monks of the Shaolin Temple, you can go to shaolintempleus.org. Until then, I wish you peace, blessings, and namaste.